आमचे ड्रामापूर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाचो मेंबर आनी हो आमचो आतां टोर्नामेंट स्टार्ट करूंक लागल्या 46 इयर्स जाली आनी बरे भाशेन चलता इतलीं वर्सां आनी फुडाराकूय बरो हे भाशेन चालू दवरपाक आमची इच्छा आनी आमचो ग्रावंडूय आमकां एक बरो ग्रावंड हे आमच्या एरिया भितर आसा देखून आमी दिनवाशी हो ग्रावंड केल्ले आमच्या मंत्री फिलीप नेरी हाका आनी आमचो हो टोर्नामेंट आमचो चालू दवरूंक आमी सगळ्यांक वावुरतले आनी आमकां सगळ्यांचो सपोर्ट जाय.
आज खंयची मॅच
आयज असले युनायटेड स्पोर्ट्स क्लब सेरावली आनी डॉन बॉस्को रोटेरी आनी युनायटेड स्पोर्ट्स क्लब सेरावली एका गोलान जैत जाले.
Good football. Game very fast गेली and credit to both the teams. Somebody has to win. From our side, we were playing more with the young side. I think we had almost 7 to 8 players who were below 20, and one was even 15 years old. So that's the real fact about the team. We're just trying to groom them up, get them into better players, get them that confidence, give them that game time to play, so that they would come up fresh, nice, and play a good game. Football is something that I would like them to take as their career. Stick on to the game, work hard, because hard work pays off always. Okay, and hats off to Don Bosco as well. They played a good game, and I think the score should have been much more. Both Don Bosco also should have scored, and also Sarauli. But I think we missed chances, and we have to recall back what wrong we have done and come up stronger. Yeah, third division आमी गेम गायला आनी चोयला आसता तुमी थर्ड डिविजनान गेम गायली ती सगळे यंगस्टर्स आहाय. मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर यंगस्टर्स आनी जे इंटरव्यू जी दिवूंक हेणाय तेमकां ट्राय केले आमी. सो दे गेट एक्सपोजर अगेन गेम टायम, दे गेट कॉन्फिडन्स, एंड देन दॅट कम अप बेटर.
थँक यू. क्रॉस आ गेला
मध्ये
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.